I, Dr. Naren Singh, the Director of the International Institute of Herbal Medicine, have been involved in the research and clinical studies of herbal medicines in the past 50 years, half a century, and to my amazement, I have found that most of our herbals are very useful in most of the chronic diseases of mankind. Thus, I will describe some of my formulations today, and one of the most important formulations which has been worked out for more than 4 decades is flexibility. As the name of the formulation denotes, it improves flexibility of the human body system, and it is a very important herb known as Motha in Hindi and also Cyperus rotundus botanically. This herb was a studied herb. It was not earlier known to be effective in arthritic conditions, but our own research of several years, starting in 1967-65, we found that this is one of the most important anti-inflammatory agents, and hence we use it initially in many cases of rheumatoid arthritis and in experimental models, and found it to be superior even to corticosteroids in its efficacy. Since then, it has been tried in human beings, and we found one of the best medicines. Along with this, we have added ashwagandha, Vidania somnifera, and tulsi, Ocimum sanctum, as supportive medicine to this. Both are anti-stress agents, they are immunomodulators, and thus they support the effect of Cyperus rotundus, that is Motha, and the combination is one of the best combinations which you can find out of herbal medicines for all kinds of rheumatic disorders of the joints. In these conditions, we find that it is most useful in cases of rheumatoid arthritis. Almost 2% of the world population suffers from this disabling disease, which is rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, periarthritis, gout, etc. There are about 170 types of arthritis, and we have found that in most of these conditions, this combination of Motha is most useful. This can be given to people in this combination as capsules, 2 capsules twice daily, given for a month or years, improves the joint mobility, repairs the joint and the movement of the body systems. Therefore, we recommend it that it should be used in all cases of rheumatic disorders. Many of the herbs which has been described in Ayurvedic and Vedic systems are very, very useful in the treatment of many chronic ailments. We designed certain formulations, and one of them is Osteoseal. Many of the ladies who are above 40 years, or even young ladies, due to hormonal disbalances, they get osteopenia, means less calcium in the bones and weak bones which can easily fracture. Osteopenia means there are now techniques by which we know, that is known as bone marrow density, bone density measurements are made, and you can make out that the bones are weak and less calcium is being deposited. And the other cause is all kinds of arthritis. They also, particularly rheumatoid arthritis, removes calcium from its joints. Mainly the joints of the hands are first affected in rheumatoid arthritis. Demineralization, that is reduction in calcium levels. Calcium is removed by lymphocytes from the site of the joints, and therefore the bone becomes very weak and it can easily fracture. The Osteoseal contains 3 ingredients, that is the plant known as Hard-Jod. The very name says that one which joins the bones, Hard-Jod. And this has got a natural calcium, which is colloidal calcium in high amount, and it is easily absorbed through the intestines and goes to the proper places into the bone to form osteoblast and osteoclast. To support this calcium to be absorbed, we have added one of the most important herbs known as Saagen or Moringa pterygosperma. It has got calcium, it has got cobalt, it has got other minerals, iron, then B complex vitamins, then vitamin C, also vitamin E or avion, which is called, it is an antioxidant, vitamin C. This is a big combination and has got 12 amino acids. These 12 amino acids are very good for the absorption of the calcium. When it goes to the intestine, exactly into the intestine, calcium cannot be, inorganic calcium cannot be absorbed, but colloidal calcium, when it is combined with these 12 amino acids, it is quickly absorbed and goes exactly into the joint place and produces osteoblast and clast to produce new bones. Thus, the fracture healing is improved. The calcium which is deficient in ladies, in arthritis, in various hormonal conditions, it is replaced by this, and this is one of the best formulations. Since in fractures and other conditions we have some amount of low immunity and infection, a little amount of Azadirachta indica, that is Indian neem, has been added, which is antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, is also immunomodulator. So the combination helps in many ways to provide calcium to various patients. Arthritic conditions markedly, because there is a calcium disbalance. And then it will be most useful for lactating women, where the child also requires calcium and the milk is to be full of calcium for proper bone growth in the child, and other conditions of hormones where after postmenopausal syndrome most of the ladies lose calcium. They also need osteoseal. So it can be used in combination with flexibility and alone in all these conditions which I have described. Therefore, the most and the best available calcium, if this formulation has been made for the benefit of mankind in all types of calcium deficiency diseases.